What's up, peeps? I was challenged by James Mathis Jr. to do a daily vlog for the whole month of July. So I missed one day, my bad, because I got to look at watch the video today. So here in the state of Tennessee, you're not allowed to have any mobile device or recording device on hand. So I'm gonna have my trusty sidekick, the wife, do all the driving recordings, and I'll safely look at the road and just talk if I have to. All right? And Jimmy, you suck. A whole month doing vlogging, man, that's gonna suck. So let's see what we do today. All right? Bye. So our first stop is Starbucks. She ordered a what with a frappa?
Mocha cookie crumble frappuccino.
Sometimes I really don't get it. All these names just to say, hey, just give me a coffee with chocolate chips and foam on it. Easy. And then they got these sizes. They got the, what is it? The venti, the grande, and what's the other one?
Tall.
And the tall. Instead of saying small, medium, and large.
Oh, venti is 20 and that's 20 ounces.
Large in my book. But anyways, this is our first stop of the day. Well, our second stop was at Sprint. We had to check up a couple of things on our bill, and we did. And then we saw our mother-in-law with the girls going to Target. So that's where we at, Target. The wife went to go see the girls, and we'll just walk Target for a little bit, and we'll see what we do next. So after going around Target, walking around up and down, and checking some shoes for the girls and some other stuff, we finally left Target. So now we're gonna go eat at Steak and Shake. Yes, Steak and Shake is open 24 hours and it's amazing. So the mother-in-law, the wife, and the two girls, and little Julian, we're gonna go eat. And no, he has not popped out yet. He's still in the tummy. He's still cooking. So we'll see when we come out where we go next. By the way, epic hat from Explore Nashville, an epic shirt from TriStar Adventures. Go check them out. Go check Explore Nashville, I believe is explorenashville.com, and tristaradventures.com. You could get this shirt, epic, cool, amazing for these types of heats that we having right now, which is 90 degrees, and this hat is amazing. It's comfy, one size fits all, and it's great. Check them out. All right, so I'll let you know where we go next. Bye. So after beautiful and amazing lunch with the family at Steak and Shake, we decided to just come home and watch a movie. So we watched Breakthrough. It's an amazing, inspiring movie about faith, about God. It's beautiful, it's amazing. You need to watch it. And I have to say that we just stayed watching TV, and then we watched a couple of Pixar short movies, and now we're gonna go eat pizza, baked pizza to be honest, and just chill. That was my whole day today, to be honest. Oh yes, meanwhile we went to, what was it we went to? We were on our way to Sprint to deal with the issue this earlier. Yeah, we thought somebody just flicked us off and called us a bunch of random names, but hey, I didn't care. I was driving the normal speed and I was doing good. And a little update on our birds feeders and stuff. We got a block right here. It's pretty cool. They've been eating from it. It stinks. Ugh. And yes, I have a little sensor light, so when they come here at night they can still eat. I got this one right here. See, still good. And then I got this brick right here. Actually block, I'm sorry. Has nuts, berries, seeds, honey, some other stuff that I don't know. But the woodpeckers come over here all the time, so they like it. Then I got this other block here. This has been here for a while. I bought two more. They're downstairs, and the woodpeckers love this one too, and the little birds. And then my regular one, which they also love. Also has a sensor, the one I built a long time ago. I don't know if you saw the video or not. Go back and watch it. You'll like it. And here's our backyard, and I'm enjoying it until the oven preheats so I can put the pizza in, go inside and go eat. And that was my highlight of the day. Well, you guys have a beautiful and amazing evening, and let's see what tomorrow brings us. All right, good night, bye. Oh yes, also I've been contemplating on getting a Sony camera. I saw an A6000 for 350 bucks. It's a starter camera, and I might be using it as a secondary camera or just to learn how to use Sony. So please tell me in the comments below what you think about it. You know, should I stick 100% Canon or be diverse and use Sony? You know, I don't know. I'm just still thinking about it. That annoying bird does that every morning and every evening. He's way up there in that area, and then he flies from there all the way to the bird feeder and eats, which I don't mind. I'm just kidding, he's not annoying, he's awesome. I love it. All right, good night everybody. Deuces. It's pizza time. Pepperoni. It's delicious. Yes.